So we might have found the best adhesive for plastic. So in this video, we are going to talk about my recent discovery. So maybe a week ago, or well, long time ago, my daughter's Lancer's door handle just went into pieces. I don't know how she opens her door, but it just went into pieces. So, of course, buying a, a 1999 door handle is not really that easy. So, well, it's available in AliExpress, but we need to find a solution permanently, temporarily. So I was thinking about super glue, and then surprisingly, I discovered a good super glue that is available in the grocery. I bought this from Lulu. It's it's Patex. I don't know how to pronounce it right. Am I pronouncing it right? Patex, Patex, whatever. I'm not an English teacher, so I don't care. So this is a ethyl cyanoacrylate, and it's very strong. I'm gonna show you later how strong it is. It comes with a hardener. So you have to apply the hardener first on both surfaces that you are going to stick, and then apply the glue on one side and then put them together. I think this glue is good if the surface that is mating is 100%. There's no gap. As the label states, it's good for plastic, which is the reason why I bought it. So I think this is a good tool for us DIYers, for our, like for me, I break a lot of fairings, AC vents, and all those plastics. Just remember that before you glue stuff, clean the surface, both surface, with isopropyl alcohol. So after you clean it, apply the hardener on both sides, and then wait for 60 seconds according to the instruction before you apply the glue. The glue is just going to be applied on one side, and then as soon as you apply the glue, stick both plastic together and then hold it for 30 seconds or more. What we did is we let this dry for almost 24 hours. So the adhesion is very strong that when I applied force, it's almost 1.5 kilos that was applied to this. The only thing that I have to do now is to sand this and then wrap it again. And then this will be good. I don't know if I'm gonna order in AliExpress, but maybe I will. Because I'm sure this will break again soon. I still don't have the confidence on glue stuff, but this is something better as compared to other glues. Anyways, that's it. New product for us to use. Peace. So to prolong its shelf life, keep it in the fridge.